All right, good morning. It's Friday, February 7th, 7 a.m. We're at the Low Gap shelter. Had a couple of other Thru-hikers just pack up and head out of here. I'm right behind them. Yesterday met Sidewinder, Captain Planet, and Link. What's up, guys? And we'll see how far we can get today. We're going to try to get to Unicoi Gap today. It's going to be a hike of about 10 miles, which is further than we've hiked before. We've got 8 and 9. We'll jump up to 10 today, see if we can do a resupply. Get in touch with Green Dragon Hostel, see about maybe staying a night or 2 nights there, get a resupply, and maybe do some slack pack in the Blue Mountain region. See you later. Okay, we just left Low Gap shelter. It's still a 7:15. Heard back from Green Mountain Hostel. They're gonna pick me up at Unicoi Gap. It's gonna be a 10-mile day. Told them hopefully I'll be there by about 3. Keep them updated. This is what we're hiking through this morning. This is a lot like what yesterday morning looked like too, when those coyotes were outside of the tent. Just this misty fog. Know we're supposed to get rain today. I'm not sure what time, how much. We're just gonna push on through. It's about 8:23. We've been hiking just over an hour. Got just over 2 miles in. The sun's coming out. The clouds are lifting. If I get a clearer spot, I'll try to get a better view, but it's shaping up to be pretty nice right now. There's a little bit of ridgeline mountaintops sticking up above the clouds. That's all cloud down there filling in that bowl. Looks like the sun's chasing us. It's clear over there. There it is. It's going to burn these clouds off and it's going to be a beautiful day. Alright, about to find out exactly where we are without looking at the far out app. Got a sign here. I know we're making good time today. Been on trail for not quite 3 hours. I believe we're over 5 miles. Our best day yet. Granted, it's not all uphill over rocks like everything's been, but what do we got here? Jack's Gap Trail and Chattahoochee Gap. That's what's next. And there's water, but we have water, so we're not going to go down for more. All right, let's catch up at Chattahoochee Gap. Oh, what do we have here? Okay, water, camping. Okay, well, we're heading to Chattahoochee Gap. Let's keep on going. All right, we're climbing Blue Mountain, and I see another sign here. Let's see what it says. Oh. Blue Mountain Shelter. Okay. and water that way. We're gonna keep on going on over to Unicoi Gap. But this last up the top of Blue Mountain ain't no joke. Whew. This one worked me. Back down the trail, it goes a lot lower than that. This trail is no joke. Okay, here we are on Blue Mountain, ready to come down. Okay, finally, the fourth Blue Mountain that we come to is the final one. Here it is. Finally summited this son of a gun. I was looking at the elevation view on far out. I didn't have it zoomed out far enough. Kept looking like I was at the peak, but I wasn't. But here we are now, right there. Blue Mountain, 4,024 feet. As of 1:26. It's official. One more pointless up out of the way so we can hit one more pointless down. See you down there. Unicoi Gap, next stop. Well, I've officially had my first fall of the Appalachian Trail. I stepped, my foot slid off right in there and fell on the side of the hill, and my water bottle went where those two branches are laying parallel to the trail. Put my hand down, bent all my fingers back on my right hand. Nothing feels broken. Nothing even feels like it's going to be sprained. It's a little sore, but I'm none the worse for wear. Knocked the lens out of my sunglasses. Thanks for your guarantees, Shady Rays. I'll be sending those back. And we're about 0.9 miles from Unicoi Gap. I'm going to keep on heading down the trail. Hopefully we can keep it on both feet the rest of the day. Okay, we're finally off of Blue Mountain. Coming off the trail to the parking lot at Unicoi Gap. I hear traffic on the road down there. Our hiker sign in the distance. In about 30 minutes till Green Dragon shuttle is here for us. Looks like we'll meet them in that parking lot across the street. Or Green Dragon Hostel. We'll meet them across the street.